हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एस वाई टेक्नोलॉजी। इस वीडियो में हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं लाइनक्स उबंटू ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम हमारा वर्चुअल मशीन पे किस तरह उसको कॉन्फ़िगर करें एंड उसके इंस्टॉलेशन स्टेप्स। लास्ट वीडियो में अगर आपने नहीं देखा तो हमारे चैनल पे जाकर देख सकते हैं कि हमने वर्चुअल मशीन VMware वर्कस्टेशन को इंस्टॉल किया था और उसके अंदर एक वर्चुअल मशीन क्रिएट किया था। ठीक है, अभी इस वीडियो उस लास्ट वीडियो का कंटिन्यूशन है। हियर वी आर गोइंग टू इंस्टॉल द उबंटू ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इनटू आवर वर्चुअल मशीन। जो वर्चुअल मशीन में हम लोग मेमोरी, प्रोसेसर, स्टोरेज, सब जो कुछ हमने इसको अलॉट किया था, वो सारा कुछ यूज करते हुए हमारा जो वर्चुअल मशीन है वो इंस्टॉल करेगा उबंटू ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम into our virtual machines. So these are the steps for the Ubuntu virtual machine, and we will see some basic Linux commands also. So let's get started. Computer. After installing the VMware, let's operating system inside the Linux operating this VM. So here we have one to open it. So once it's got installed, we have to open this, and now on your screen you have already created. Okay, so let's come to home. So this is the home. It should be look like this when you install for the first time. So as you can see, after waiting a little bit, it depends upon your computer configuration, PC configuration. So it will take some time. Don't worry if it is taking long. It will come. So it will come like this. When it's come like this, it is like your operating system is being installing, and just wait for a few more minutes. It will show you the steps to install the OS. So verifying the installation, configuration. So all these steps, one by one, it will come. You have to give the required data like this. So here we are selecting English. Okay. So we just press continue, and after that, what applications would you like to install to start with? Normal installation, minimal installation, whatever the here we will choose normal installation, where web browser, utilities, office software, games and media player will install. Or otherwise you can just go with the minimal installation, where only web browser and basic utilities will be in your operating system. So here we will select normal and download updates while installing Ubuntu. So this will be the latest update will be installed while installing the Ubuntu. Okay, so here if we press continue, so it will take you to the next step. And don't worry if it is taking time, because it depends on your PC configuration, like your RAM, your processor, and this. So these factors will affect the installation. So after successfully installing this OS, it will definitely runs good. So no doubt in that. But as of now, during installation, it will take time, because the operating system is being installed on your PC as a virtual machine. So now see, this computer currently has no detected operating system. You will like to erase disk and install Ubuntu, the delete program documents. It is like you just press install now. No need to do anything, because we have already created the partition and everything. So if you continue, the changes list below will be, otherwise you will be able to make further changes manually. The partition table changed. So let's see if we continue, and just it will install the operating system. So where are you? We have to select the location. If you are in some other location, you have to press the other location, or else you can just press continue. And after pressing the continue, it will take you your name. So in my case, I will give Sayyid Yasin virtual machine. If I give the password, okay. So it is required my password to log in. Use Active Directory or login automatically. Whatever the options you need, you can select as per your requirement. Just press the continue button, and it will copy the files. It will copy the uh, installation of the operating system with the required configuration and with the required files. So it will show you the couple of steps, and after that it will be downloaded to your virtual machine in the VMware. Okay, so it will take a few more minutes to install the operating system. So just wait for the operating system to install. Okay, so it is installing now. So during the installation process, it will show you some kind of this uh, information like VLC media player, this applications you can directly install, and here it is showing like Spotify, everything you can use here in Ubuntu. So it's not like that. Before it is only like CLI, so command line interface. Only it will be a black screen where you just have to write all the commands, and it will be you will be interacting with the backend of the operating system with the help of kernel. So now it is not totally CLI. It is command line interface with graphical user interface also, GUI. So the main screen will be GUI, where you can practice, where you can learn how to use the command line interface. So this is a good part of this operating system. By using this GUI, graphical user interface OS, as a virtual machine, you can learn how to do commands, how to use the Linux, how to run the servers, how to do what type of commands for what purpose. So here you can learn all the things. So as of now, our operating system is almost installed. So it is almost installed. So if you have any kind of doubt, any kind of suggestion, or any kind of videos, or any kind of technology you want to learn, just write it in the comment box. We will get back to you. We'll make the videos or the courses on that particular topics. So your feedback is much appreciated. Okay guys, it is almost installed. Just a couple of minutes and it will be installed. We are going to see how it is going to be, and basic commands we will run onto this virtual machine. After the installation, it will show a pop-up like this: installation complete. Installation is complete, and you need to restart the computer in order to use the new installation. If we press restart now, it will restart the virtual operating system, and where you can use the new installation which we have restarted just now. So it will restart, and we can use the operating system, and we'll check a couple of commands, and we will wrap up the session. So if you are getting this kind of errors or anything, just ignore this, because this is because of some internal hardware or the drive, or some plugins issue. So the operating system will run once it is successfully installed. It will run. So if you have any kind of error, if you did not understand anything, just write a comment and we will get back to you. So now we have to select the user and we have to give the password which we have given while installing the operating system. Just select the user and enter the password, and we can log in into the operating system, and we'll wait for a minute. Now see, this is a screen. This is a home screen of the Ubuntu, where it will ask you a couple of steps like connect your online accounts. You can Ubuntu single sign-on, Google account, you can connect Microsoft or anything. As of now, I don't want, I'm just skipping. And help Ubuntu to like to send information and anything. As of now, if I say yes, maybe if I got any error or anything, it will send to privacy. You can on the location or anything, just press next. If any application you want to use, you can install it from here. This, if you are a coder, you can go for coding, Zoom or Spotify, Slack or VLC or anything. There is much more also. See this Telegram desktop, Opera, like this all the application which you can install and directly use into this Ubuntu operating system. So now this is the home page. So if you come here, you can scroll down this. There are this trash. Trash is like how we have here we have recycle bin. In the Ubuntu operating system, we have trash. This is floppy disk. This is CD-ROM. If you have any kind of questions or any help, if you need with any service in the Ubuntu, you can go and you can search in the help section. This is Ubuntu software. This is like App Store. If you press button, it will open the Ubuntu software, and this is like this is some other services file, mail or browser, or these are the services available in the Ubuntu. So when you install this is the available services, because we have selected the normal installation where it mention all the names like all the utilities, browser, and this all the services. If you click this one also, you will find all the details here. See, these are the applications available in your Ubuntu. So this is by default. If we select normal installation, so this is the basic applications it will be installed. If you select minimal, that second option, so there will be a minimal application will be installed, and you have to install other applications as per your requirement. Okay, so well, that's it for today guys, और थैंक यू हमारी वीडियो को यहाँ तक देखने के लिए। अगर आपको ऐसे ही कंटेंट चाहिए, ऐसे ही आपको जो है टेक्नोलॉजी के अराउंड आपको कंटेंट चाहिए, तो आप लोग ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और जो भी आपके फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली मेंबर्स और जो भी कोर्सेस सीखना चाहते हैं, आईटी में कुछ नॉलेज गेन करना चाहते हैं, उनको हमारा चैनल रिकमेंड कीजिए, सो दैट वी गेट सम सपोर्ट एज वेल फ्रॉम योर साइड। एंड अगर आपको कुछ डाउट्स है, इफ यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ डाउट्स और सजेशन, आप लोग कमेंट करके हमको बताइए। हम लोग डेफिनेटली विल कम आउट विद द सॉल्यूशन। ओके, so that's it for now guys. Take care. Bye bye.